The next company, there's two balls in the front. Sococo is taking the concept of the physical office building and moving it online. Their communication tool provides users with a rich and interactive setting on their computer. So welcome social communications company known as Sococo Team Space.
Hi, my name is Paul Brody. I'm the president of Sococo. I'm joined here with Josh Moyers. And we are a new communication service focused on solving the frustrations we've all experienced when trying to interact with people from a distance. You know, rooting around for that passcode for the conference call you're already late to, or the web meeting that kills the first 10 minutes of the hour. We've all been there. But at Sococo, we've taken a completely different approach. Our environment mimics how people actually interact in the physical world. So let's take a look. When you first launch Sococo, you'll notice it looks pretty familiar. You can bring your entire community with you, friends, family, colleagues, and interact with them in chat. We support all the major IAM services, so when you make the decision to move to Sococo, you don't have to leave anybody behind. And we complement this personal functionality with group capabilities designed for distributed teams and companies. We call it TeamSpace, and it's a service we're launching here at Demo. Opening up our TeamSpace panel now reveals all of the employees in our company in our private TeamSpace area. And at the top of the list, you see Josh up in his office. And when I say he's in his office, I literally mean he's in his office. And there's Josh in his office. You can tell it's him because his avatar kind of looks like him up on stage. You can tell. His office has a couple of screens for sharing any content with anybody. It's got a desk so he can take his afternoon naps underneath. It's got full audio, it's got room-based chat, and of course, full audio.
So when I click on the microphone button, my head starts to blink, starts to flash when I'm speaking. This indicates that I'm broadcasting to everyone that's in the room. Since no one's actually here right now, I'll go ahead and pull somebody in.
Hi, Josh. How you doing?
Hey, Beth. How are you?
Good.
So where are you located today?
I'm working out of Eugene, up in Oregon today.
Not too bad, not too bad.
So you notice when Beth popped in the office, there was no dialing and no setup. It was natural and easy, just like she walked up to him in person. And of course, Josh's office doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a broader space. And unfolding our UI now reveals our entire company. And I should mention, we're a distributed team. We have team members in 5 states, spanning 2 different continents, but every day, all day long, this is where we meet. This is how we build our product. This is how we run our company. Now, our team space is a collection of private offices like the one we're in right now, common areas, as well as larger conference rooms. And one of the great things about Sococo is the service is alive. You see the people you interact with and work with all day long. Who's busy? Who's free? Who's talking to who? We call this feature social awareness, and it's what makes you feel that much more connected to the people you work with. So for example, you see a couple of smaller meetings going on in these private offices. And up in our main conference room, it looks like there's a larger team meeting going on. Now notice, you can't hear what they're saying. You can't see what they're sharing unless we were to click in and join those people directly. Now in the lower left-hand corner, we've actually set up a persistent project war room for a new application we're working on. We call it Personal Space. So Josh, why don't you take us in there and show us how it works?
Sure. So in Sococo, to move around, you just simply click on a room label. And when I do this, I'll actually be instantly connected via voice chat and screen share to everyone that's present.
Okay. Yeah, I think that would work though. If you didn't know over. Hey, Josh. Hey, Josh.
Hey, Matt, Marv. What you guys working on here?
Hey, well, Marv and I are just going over some of the designs of Personal Space. It's our new app for family and friends. You can check it out on the screen too if you like.
Sure, I'll take a look. It looks like you have my friends here. Excellent.
Yeah, I got some more goodies for you here. Just hang on.
Some third-party integration. Excellent. So I also see that Marv is sharing on screen too here, and to access the content that he's sharing, I just click on the screen. Looks like he's taking some live meeting notes here.
Now you notice what these guys are doing, it can't be done with any other service on the planet. We're sharing multiple applications from different people in the same place at the same time, and everybody in the room has access to that content with a single click. And of course, these rooms are customizable. You can actually, they're dynamic. You can customize them to meet the needs of your project teams. So Josh, why don't we drop in our web-based project management software directly into the space?
Sure, so I'll just simply click, add an object. Got a variety of third-party integration here, but I'll select Agilzen, which is our favorite web-based project management tool. When I click Save, it gets persisted right into the room here in the upper right-hand corner. And I just simply click to access content. And then I can interact with our project board.
Now notice this content is actually in the cloud, but we brought it directly into the room. It's now part of the space. And again, anybody who has access to this room has one-click access to this content. So if you're part of a group that uses these types of web-based services today, you can enhance your experience by bringing it directly into Sococo and adding our real-time dimension. So that's it for our demo. Simple, natural communications. You can get us at Sococo.com. We really thank you for all your attention, and I hope to see everyone here inside Sococo. Thanks a lot.
Great presentation.